จงอย่าฟังใครเชื่อทำไมว่าพี่รักน้องมีเมียเชื่อทำไมว่าพี่รักน้องมีเชื่อทำไมว่าพี่รักน้องมี
So here we came up to Doi Suthep to check it out up here for the shopping area. Wat Palat was closed for monk meditation. So we swing up here. Literally a lot of curves on the way up, but she got a little motion sickness. It was fun for me. But
I'm better.
She's better. So here we go. We're gonna
have a little yodam.
Yeah, yodol, and we're going to go off and shop in this little area. So join us. finish up shopping up here at the Doi Suthep Temple, which I guess is sugar syrup. Yeah.
Has electronics too, I guess.
Which is good. Hi, bud. How are you? Yeah, very sweet dog. And we're gonna head back down the hill and stop off at a couple of waterfalls that we saw, and the overlook. Yeah, the overlook of the city. And we'll show you what we see. All right.
Chiang Mai, doing laundry, watching the city go by.
So we're back at it, and we're gonna head on down to the massage part of, Sri Lanka massage, and we're gonna get feet massage. Yesterday we did full body and they bent us all which ways. And today we're gonna take a pounding on the feet.
Because our feet have taken a pounding already.
Yeah, we just got back from the park and walked all around there, which was a really cool place that they've redone and made it really nice. But now we're gonna reward ourselves with some footwork. All right, we'll tap in a minute. Okay, here we go. Crossing on in to this massage parlor. Oh wait, okay, here. Let's take a look here. It is $3.50 for a foot massage. That's kind of a lot.
I think it's because it's 60 and not 30.
Okay, so I guess we'll just do it. Yep. Let's go. Top. All right, here we go. In for feet. Right, about ready to start this foot massage.
Full 60 minutes of heaven.
Yep.
For $10 each.
Yep.
But it includes a little foot scrub before and some tea, cool rags, very much like spa treatment in the US. And after, you get a little extra tea and some snacks and.
Plus, it's
a really good
an hour foot massage, so
for $10. Yeah.
So we'll share more with you.
Yeah.
Oh, those feet have just been rubbed so nice. Look at her glistening legs and feet.
All the way up to the knees.
All the way to the knees. I gotta walk miles on miles now. I mean, look how heavy they are, ready? Gang mama.
Oh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh. They have a lot of energy. They run around the heat.
They sure do. And we're on our way to Chetty Luang. And there are police everywhere down here. Literally, the whole area is just full of police. And I saw like S.W.A.T Hummers. So I guess we're gonna find out what's going on down here at this hot spot of Chiang Mai. So here we go again with the police activity. Look at this S.W.A.T. Yeah. Mercedes police. Another Fortuner police. All out in front of the entrance to Chetty Luang.
It's all in this white and silver.
Yeah. A lot of people waiting over there.